Are you ready, boys? From the top, the tape's rolling.
Shops and schools are shut down, families in lockdown, elderly are knocked down too. People in depression, business in recession, TV's only got bad news. We're in quarantine from COVID-19. It's more contagious than the flu. There's no vaccine for COVID-19. It seems like a bad dream coming true. Well, it's 2020, got the COVID-19 blues. Politicians in control, police are on patrol, people are forced to work from home. The country's closed for business, we keep a social distance. We're in this fight together all alone. We're in quarantine from COVID-19. It's more contagious than the flu. There is no vaccine for COVID-19. It seems like a bad dream coming true. Well, it's 2020, got the COVID-19 blues. Prisoners in paradise, we're learning how to compromise. Will life on earth ever be the same? Don't care about the weather, cause we're spending time together, eating our rations and playing board games. We're in quarantine from COVID-19. It's more contagious than the flu. There is no vaccine for COVID-19. It seems like a bad dream coming true. Well, it's 2020, got the COVID-19 blues.
Got this. To discover more about Lighthouse Audio, for more thought-provoking songs, click the links below this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a million.